Thank you very much for that introduction. It's really a pleasure to be here today to welcome you to this exciting World Health Day event. I'm especially pleased to welcome all those guests who are here from outside of Tufts. As was mentioned before, this is the third time that Tufts has been able to host the World Health Day, focusing on new and emerging health issues. It started in 2011 with our University School of Medicine hosting a conference on guinea worm disease, a debilitating infection that has plagued people of Asian, African, and Middle Eastern nations since the early 1900s. Last year, our Jean Mayer USDA Human Nutrition Research Center on Aging also presented a conference offering forward-looking solutions to the challenges of global aging. Hosting significant World Health Day programming demonstrates Tufts' institutional commitment to having an impact on society and individuals. It is very much in keeping with our robust tradition of active citizenship. I'm delighted that our School of Engineering has the opportunity to take the lead this year. Dean Abriola, under her leadership, the school has made work on issues related to the environment and health a focus of its efforts. At the same time, the school makes important and distinctive contributions to university's work outside the academy. This afternoon, you will hear from some of the students who have been involved in Engineers Without Borders and a vibrant part of the Tufts response to global challenges. Events such as World Health Day provide important opportunities to discuss ideas and develop initiatives and tools to support interdisciplinary research on our campuses. Our institutional commitment to innovative interdisciplinary research aims to address real-world problems, and we have made these central goals for our current university-wide strategic planning process. Both inside and outside its classrooms and laboratories, the School of Engineering is putting into practice interdisciplinary approaches that we seek to encourage across the university. Dean Abriola herself chairs a university-wide faculty working group on water. Faculty, students, and staff across Tufts undertake innovative work on water. The members of Dean Abriola's working group are collaborating to deepen the impact of our work on important topics, including water quality, water sustainability, water hazards, water and health, water and development, and the water-energy nexus, as well as water diplomacy. Water issues are complex because they cross multiple boundaries: physical, jurisdictional, geographic, and political. They also involve many stakeholders with competing needs. Our innovative PhD program in water diplomacy aims to educate a new generation of professionals who can resolve complex water problems through negotiated solutions. The program, led by Professor Shafiq Islam of Civil and Environmental Engineering, is supported by a $4.2 million grant for the Integrative Graduate Education and Research, or IGERT, from the National Science Foundation. It includes 17 faculty members from the School of Engineering, the Fletcher School of Law and Diplomacy, and the Graduate School of Arts and Sciences, as well as other schools. And water is just one of the critical topics related to health and the environment, while Tufts is making critical scholarly and educational contributions. Many of our important projects connect directly with local communities in ways that deepen research while amplifying the potential for impact. In this respect, an excellent example comes from our NIH-funded study of pollution in Boston communities near major highways. This community assessment of freeway exposure and health is funded by a $2.5 million grant from the NIH. It is led by Professor Doug Brugge of the Tufts Medical School, but also includes environmental health engineers such as Professor John Durant of the School of Engineering. The study involves a range of community partners in both Somerville and Boston's Chinatown neighborhood. It reflects a university-wide effort to help faculty develop their research in partnership with the community in ensuring that it is relevant to the community needs while meeting its intellectual goals. Just as we advance research and teaching on health and the environment, we are also committed to remaining a leader in sustainable campus operations. For the last year, I have led a university-wide council on campus sustainability that has just released its draft recommendation for public comment. We aim to enlist the entire Tufts community in an effort to reduce waste by 3% each year through source reduction, waste management strategies, and behavior change. We envision moving to an integrated water management approach that reduces consumption, promotes reuse, and minimizes impacts on the environment. and we intend to be a leader in responsible climate action through energy efficiency, emission reductions, clean energy, and adaptation. Looking ahead, I believe that Tufts can continue to lead by example. Dean Abriola outlined a roadmap for how the School of Engineering can help lead our collaborative research efforts in new devices, smart sensors, disaster management, and visual analytics with impacts on health and environment in our community and across the world. Our leadership will continue to depend on partnerships. Today's breakout sessions will help lay the groundwork for future collaborations across all of Tufts schools. Institutionally, we are committed to providing opportunities to advance these high-impact collaborations across disciplines and outside the university. Our Provost's office is already encouraging new directions in research, scholarship, and learning through programs such as the Intramural Seed Grants. And as I mentioned earlier, strengthening opportunities for interdisciplinary work is a high priority for our strategic planning process. We want to ensure that the productive discussions we have today can gain traction in creating the research collaborations of tomorrow. Once again, welcome to the World Health Day at Tufts. We are delighted to host you here and have a great symposium. Thank you.